Well, it's the 19th of February, about 12 noon. It's our 15th day in Antarctica. Last night we left Peterman Island at 7 PM, hoping to find a nice little spot to tie up at Booth Island. However, all 4 anchorage choices were full of sea ice. We tried to push all the small stuff out with the Zodiac, but there's some big ones we couldn't move. So we went to change plans and motor sail onto Hofgaard Island, where we are now. We tied up around midnight, so whilst things didn't go to plan, it was a really good evening actually. It was nice to have the twilight and be moving around the icebergs and navigating at night time, so that was a really nice nighttime exercise. And this morning Kim and I are just doing some Zodiac cruising around Hofgaard Island and some of the unnamed islands in that little group. And with the weather, we're hoping that those anchorages we couldn't use last night will become available tomorrow night. A couple of tidal movements and the wind direction should clear the ice out, and we're looking forward to that. There's a lot of seals at Booth Island. It's quite historical too, so it would be nice to make our way over there in a couple of days. Otherwise, we're enjoying a beautiful break in the weather. The wind's dropped off to nothing, and having a good time. Well, good morning. It's the 20th of February, our 16th day in Antarctica, and it's just a little after 10 AM. We've had some nice toboggan rides down the hill, and we're just waiting for our Zodiac pickup before we move on to the next anchorage. Where that will be, we don't know yet. There's still a lot of icebergs around the place, so be a little bit of discovery. I need to move in before the weather deteriorates this afternoon, and if you haven't worked it out as yet, there's a new low pressure system every day, so we only get a couple of hours of sunlight at a time, and just 4 of us came to shore this morning to enjoy that. But it's been fantastic, and as one of my colleagues said, it's not a bad place to wait around for a taxi. This little penguin that snuck up behind me and Kim, a couple of metres away. Well, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon on Booth Island on the 20th of February. As you can see, I've put together quite a nice little background. We've got some penguins entering the water, probably going for their afternoon supper. And we've been sitting here for a little while. It's been quite a good sunny day, a little bit warmer. It was very cold this morning. And I'm watching all of these crab-eater seals on floating ice behind my left shoulder. And the tide's just turned and started to wash the icebergs out. And this is the anchorage we couldn't get into a couple of nights ago. So it's nice to finally be here on Booth Island, and a lot of wildlife. A variety of penguins, a variety of seal types. Saw a really big leopard seal a short time ago. That was really impressive. Definitely a face you couldn't trust. They're coming in.
Hi, it's day 16 and we've moved this morning to Port Charcot, which is on Booth Island. We've had a good day. We've seen a lot of wildlife, seals and penguins, and this morning we did a bit of tobogganing before we moved, and Justin's got a little bit of a war wound on his face following a quite icy slope.
It's Monday the 21st of February, our 17th day in Antarctica. Yesterday we tied up to Booth Island, had a fantastic afternoon, and today we have some sunshine, about our third sunny day, so that's been excellent, and it's a really good day for visibility, so we can see all of the island and the mountain ranges and other pieces of land further away from the island, which we haven't seen due to cloud cover. And up behind me on the hill you can see all the green algae in the snow. That algae can come out as green or red, so as the snow cover melts and the algae is exposed to oxygen, it will oxidise and you see those colours. So that looks really impressive. It's like a fresh new lawn. And later this afternoon we're hoping to climb one of the large peaks on the island with some of the other guys and take a nice toboggan down. But at the moment we're just enjoying the sunshine and walking amongst the penguins. Walking amongst the penguins and the seals and just enjoying a nice sunny day. today is the 22nd of February, Tuesday, our 18th day in Antarctica. It's nearly 9 PM, and today we woke up to very, very grey skies, strong northeasterlies. In Antarctica, the northeasterly, we get precipitation and rain. It was miserable for most of the day, and we ended up motoring and sailing as well, some 70 nautical miles today to arrive at Enterprise Island. And I can tell you that Enterprise Island, our last anchorage, will be here for 2 nights probably, for the next weather window to move to the Drake Passage crossing. It's absolutely beautiful. And next to me is an old whaling processing ship that was caught on fire some 100 years ago, and the master of the vessel beached it onto the rocks so it could salvage as much as possible. So it's a very, very pretty anchorage, quite historical. And the highlight this afternoon was the sun coming out and getting onto the helm, the sail up, getting 9 and 10 knots the following wind for a few hours coming up to Enterprise Island. So we had a nice little sail this afternoon, and after the miserable grey start to the day, it was very enjoyable. Everyone was on deck. We saw some whales, and still the remnants of some blue skies behind me. So it's been a real highlight today, even though it's a travelling day. And everyone's feeling a little bit anxious about getting ready, preparing. The end is coming, so everyone's a little bit reflective. It's been a very good trip, so we're really enjoying ourselves still. And straight after this update, we're heading downstairs for some lamb roast of vegetables and a little more red wine. And look forward to a good day on the island tomorrow. And yeah, a bit sad that the trip's coming to an end.